Welcome to Study Loop.
For this problem, we are told that the use of topical painkiller ointment or gel rather than pills for pain relief was approved just within the last few years in the US for prescription use only. Insurance records show that the average copayment for a month's supply of topical painkiller ointment for regular users is $30. We're told that a sample of n equals 75 regular users found a sample mean copayment of 27.9. In part A, we are asked to identify each of 30 and 27.9 as a parameter or a statistic, and give the appropriate notation for each. So, using the insurance records, they have access to all of the data, so they would be able to calculate the population mean. So, we would have mu equals 30 is the population mean, and then the sample mean from the 75 users surveyed would be the 27.9 or 27.90. In part B, we are asked if we take 1,000 samples of size n equals 75 from the population of all copayments for a month's supply of topical painkiller ointment for regular users and plot the sample means on a dot plot, we must describe the shape we would expect to see in the plot and where it would be centered. So we would expect that it would be bell-shaped. Oops, let me fix this here. Be bell-shaped and symmetric. And it would be centered at the population mean, mu equals 30. In part C, we are asked how many dots will be on the dot plot described in part B, and what will each dot represent. The number of dots would be 1,000. There would be 1,000 dots because we discussed taking 1,000 samples of size n equals 75. And each dot represents, we'll just write it represents the mean or the x bar for each of the 1,000 samples.